Hi everyone! So I thought I'd jump on and do a very super quick video because I was going to have to make some more dish powder anyway, and I thought, well, we're having this oily weekend, I'll film it. I've got an old dishwasher. It's a dish drawer, or an old dish drawer, and it doesn't use tablets, or I can use liquid, but I found powder to be more economical. When we're stuck, we use this for dishwasher liquid because it's very low sudsing, so it doesn't overflow the machine or anything like that, and it gets everything perfectly clean. So if you do have a fussy dishwasher, this is one way to go about fixing that problem. But today, like I said, super quick, I'm going to do up my dishwashing powder. Got everything ready for you. I use a food processor. You could use a NutriBullet or whatever it is, or you could do it by hand, you know, old school style. I've got 2 cups of baking soda. This is my big bag that I get from Costco. 2 cups of washing powder, or washing soda, sorry. This is in the cleaning aisle at Woolies, right down the bottom in the bargain section. I think it's like $6, if that. It lasts for ages. And half a cup of citric acid. I also put in about half a tablespoon of salt as well. And then I've got citrus fresh essential oil blend, and then I've got Thieves essential oil. Normally I would add extra lemon to this recipe, but I've run out because I'm that person that runs out of lemon oil. So all I'm going to do is pop maybe about half. Half of all the ingredients. Then do it again. Just so you know that it's blending properly. Okay. Now, for the essential oil part, I'm going to put in 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 25, citrus fresh, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just going to put 20 of the citrus fresh in, just for something a little bit different. I might add an extra 5 drops of orange oil. Five drops of orange oil. Then I line this up like a professional. I lock it in place and I turn it on. So now I know that my ingredients are completely blended. This super cute jar, I got it from Big W. I think it cost me $4. And it fits in the amount that I need. I just wrote on it with a chalkboard marker. Take the blades out. No, hold on. I did this before. And now I have dishwashing powder all ready to go. Now you don't have to just put this into the dispenser. Say you've got a really greasy, oily lasagna tray or something like that. I would actually sprinkle a tablespoon of the powder onto the pan or pot directly and put it in the machine and still fill the dispenser, because that way it's just getting that action right where it needs to be. I should use a funnel, but I'm lazy. A tablespoon, shove that in there, and we're done. All ready to do the dishes. Hope you guys liked this video and found it helpful. I have plenty more videos on my site. I am Danielle and I'm from Simple Botanicals. My member number is 144-27760, and you can find me on Instagram as well, Simple Botanicals, or shopsimplebotanicals.com. Thank you. Keep it simple.